What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus and welcome to a new episode of Alexandrus Crypto News. Alright guys, so today we will be taking a look at the market yet again, and there is also some cool bullish news that I wanted to introduce to you, okay? So this video you should definitely watch till the end. We will be also talking about big unlocks of some tokens, including Axie Infinity and Uniswap, so stay till the end because this video really will have some cool information for you guys. Before we start, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can jump right into it. But actually, just before, I also wanted to remind you that I have a Telegram channel with over 200,000 subscribers, which I'm really thankful for. And if you guys haven't joined it already, then you should definitely go ahead and do so, because I'm also posting a lot of cool informations on it, and you can learn more regarding crypto and also be the first one to know about my new video drops, because I post them on Telegram earlier than on YouTube itself. And with that finally being said, now this is really all that I wanted to introduce. We can jump right into the video, guys. So first of all, we are on CoinMarketCap. As you can see, Fear and Greed Index today showing 40 neutral, but obviously the market keeps on being in the shape that it has been for the last few months. Not the best, but obviously today I wanted to talk about some more positive news. First of them being Nigerian government that supports AI initiatives with 290,000 in grants, which is a really nice step up here. And these guys are actually granting some naira, which is their local currency, 5 million naira. As you can see, it's about 6,500 bucks to 45 artificial intelligence AI focused startups and researchers. So some of them definitely include crypto as well, which is a great news. Nigeria is definitely a country that uses cryptocurrency a lot, and the whole African market does use it a lot because the currency in most of these countries isn't stable, so these people intend to use crypto. And this is definitely a good step into the mass adoption. The second very bullish news is this one, which probably most of you have heard about already, because well, this has been quite popular topic for the last day. And Ferrari is to accept crypto payments in the US. Yes guys, you see it right, you will be able to buy a Ferrari in a freaking crypto. So that's definitely something to look out for, and there is definitely a lot of people that you know, that will be very satisfied with this information, and you know, it's also a pretty good step to mass adoption, because it shows the trust between a big company that makes cars to the whole blockchain technology and to the crypto, which could mean potential, you know, some Ferrari clients that maybe weren't, you know, crypto savvy or tech savvy. They might, you know, go do some research and potentially join the crypto, and also people who have crypto will be also able to buy the cars, and then Ferrari might hold this money or invest it somewhere else. So this is definitely a good sign and a big step for the US, and big step for automotive industry, I would say. Some other brands might also start accepting this crypto payments. You know, for example, if Lamborghini would start to accepting this would be also a huge news, especially with the whole meme, you know, the When Lambo meme. So yeah, this is definitely something that I'm super hyped about, and I really like it. So great news. You can let me know, guys, in the comments what you think about this particular news. Also, I wanted to briefly have a look at how many people got wrecked today. So as you can see, in the last 24 hours there was $42 million liquidated, 17 million of them being in longs and 25 in shorts. The largest liquidation, as you can see, happened on Huobi BTC to USDT value $404,000. So RIP to this guy. This is a huge wreck here. Lost a lot of money, but yeah, this is how the trading looks like right now, and you can obviously see how this all you know, how it looks from the exchanges side, majority of it being on Binance, of course. So yeah, that's how it looks right now, and you can see how many people got liquidated in which currencies. So yeah, I also wanted to talk about those token unlocks, because this is something that could, you know, technically could mean some dumps, you know, which could be a little beneficial. I mean, maybe not certainly dumps, but you know, with so much money being unlocked, There could be some potential pullback, and then maybe in the dip you could pick up some tokens for cheaper. So first one of them being Axie Infinity with a whopping $65 million that is going to be unlocked, and as you can see, it is currently sitting at just $4 with its all-time high at 150. So this is, you know, definitely something to look out for. The last month they've been performing pretty mid, I would say, but this is basically checking out to any other token, any other crypto. So this is Axie Infinity, and I would say that it does have some potential, you know, to go above the $7-8-ish levels, I'd say. Moving on to the second one, we have BitDAO, which is currently at 34 cents with its all-time high around these $3. So this one is definitely more achievable for like a 10x, and BitDAO is going to release 58.6 million USD. So this is definitely another one to look out for, okay? And now we also have Uniswap, obviously the Uni token, which as you can see was sitting around the 40-ish mark. Uniswap taught us that even, you know, after they did the initial airdrop for some Uniswap users, which many of you might remember, it haven't dumped a lot, okay? So Uniswap, here are missed really. So yeah, Uniswap is releasing $34 million. There is also two other coins, one of them being, tokens, one of them being Tribal, and then not this one. But yeah, Tribal, and then we also have ApeCoin. ApeCoin releasing 16 million. So this is how it looks like from this side, but you know, I didn't mention these two because those are like smaller amounts, and they don't trade that well right now, so I wanted to focus on BitDAO, Uniswap, and Axie Infinity specifically. So yeah, you can let me know whether you will be picking up some of these tokens or whether you will be checking if they go down a bit to then pick them up or no, because I'm pretty curious about it. And speaking of the potential bull market also that has been in the title or on the thumbnail, this really is still a one big mystery and it is not predictable, guys. It is not predictable. I know that many YouTubers do such videos and they just talk some crap for 10 minutes straight and there is literally no information in those videos, but yeah, it is pretty much unpredictable. But what I wanted to say is that if some good news will keep on flowing, such as these two that I showed you today, this definitely is a, you know, bright light in a tunnel, and there is a chance that that crypto might start picking back up again after the crypto winter, you know, after Christmas in the new year. I'm really hoping that 2024 will be beneficial for all of us. It will be great, but we will see how it goes. You know, we will see how it goes. It's October, so there is still some time to 2024. Bag it up, guys, while it's cheap. You know what I'm saying. And yeah, that will be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next videos coming out soon.